In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an animated SVG to Squarespace. We'll keep this simple and clear, and by the end, you'll have a smooth, looping animation living right on your page. Start by opening your Squarespace website and navigating to the page where you want the animation to appear. Enter the page editor by clicking Edit. This puts the page into an editable state so you can add new content exactly where you want it. Move your cursor to the spot on the page where the animation should go and click Add Block. This opens the block picker. To find what we need quickly, use the search field at the top of the picker to filter the options, then select the code block. The code block is important because it lets us paste the SVG markup directly, which is the most reliable way to render and animate an SVG inside Squarespace. When the code block appears, you'll see placeholder content, often something like a small paragraph that says, "Hello World." Click into that area to highlight it, then replace it with your animated SVG code. If you exported your SVG from a design tool or received it from a developer, make sure you're pasting the full inline SVG markup, beginning with the opening tag and ending with the closing tag. Inline SVGs are ideal because they render immediately and allow CSS or built-in SVG animation to run without additional files. A few quick tips as you paste. Keep width and height attributes, or a view box on the SVG, so it scales cleanly. If your animation uses CSS, include a small